When disaster strikes, your business, property, or institution needs a partner who can respond immediately. At Legacy Restoration, we specialize in large loss recovery, restoring operations with speed, precision, and expertise. Our team ensures military families and personnel can return home safely by restoring base housing after disasters. Hospitals can't afford downtime. We restore medical facilities while maintaining safety, compliance, and operational continuity. From city halls to fire stations, we restore government buildings, keeping critical infrastructure operational. For property managers and HOAs, we specialize in restoring large-scale multifamily complexes after fire, storm, or flood damage. Schools and universities need fast turnaround. We ensure safe learning environments after disasters. Downtime means lost revenue. Our team restores commercial properties quickly so businesses can get back to work. With state-of-the-art equipment and a nationwide fleet, we handle even the most complex restoration projects. Wherever disaster strikes, our teams respond nationwide, ensuring large-scale recovery for businesses and institutions. We provide complete compliance and insurance documentation, ensuring a smooth claims process. When large-scale disaster strikes, trust the experts who get the job done right. Legacy Restoration, restoring properties, rebuilding lives.